Discover the game-changing business model of dropshipping and its potential for profitability in 2024. Dropshipping allows you to run an online business without managing inventory or warehousing. Enjoy low startup costs, minimal risk, and the ability to quickly adapt to market trends. The dropshipping market is projected to experience substantial growth, offering lucrative opportunities. Address the challenges of dropshipping and learn strategies to mitigate them for long-term success. Uncover the secrets to choosing the right products that maximize profitability and customer demand. Learn effective marketing tactics to stand out in a crowded market and drive sales. Discover how to build strong partnerships with reliable suppliers for seamless operations. Elevate the customer experience to foster loyalty and drive repeat business. Get inspired by real-life examples of dropshippers who have achieved remarkable success. Explore the evolving landscape of dropshipping and what lies ahead in this dynamic industry. Gain a comprehensive action plan to launch and scale your own profitable dropshipping venture. Take the first step towards financial freedom and entrepreneurial success in the world of dropshipping.